So we're here at the FANUC Open House, Alex, and could you please tell me first of all who you are, what company you're from?
Yeah, sure. I'm Alex Green from TPR. Initially, the company is about 3 years old. We span out from FANUC metrology, so we've been in the market a long, long time.
Brilliant. So you're a brand new company, you're developing new products. Now, what's this product we've got in front of us?
Yeah, sure. So the last 12 months, we've been working with Innovate UK on a funded project. We've been working with BAE Systems, GKN, FANUC, Airbus, trying to solve an issue in aerospace at the minute. Basically, high accuracy drilling.
Brilliant. So true precision robotics, new product. This is faster, it's quicker, it's lighter than the competition.
Yeah.
It's a brand new product.
Yeah, so you've got two ways of looking at it now. So either you have someone doing it by hand, just going around with a tool in, or currently on the market they have drills, but they're very, very heavy.
Brilliant. So we're talking about drilling airplane wings.
Yeah, so sub-assembly, I think BAE said to us it's around like 95% of the holes potentially would be covered by this sort of thing.
Brilliant. So that's a big project potentially.
Yeah.
Once you roll this out onto the market.
Yeah, exactly.
How long is it going to take to get to market?
Yeah, so we're looking at TRL 6 at the end of this year, hopefully.
So that's technology readiness level 6.
Technology readiness level 6.
Which means 6 is almost ready, 9 is ready for production.
Between 6 and 9, it could be in production facilities.
So watch this space, could be a year or two.
Could be, exactly.
Brilliant. Now we're going to talk to Roger, who's one of the directors of this company. He's going to be talking more about the technicals. Thank you very much, Alex.
Thank you. Cheers.
Roger, please introduce yourself and what you've done for this product.
Hello, my name's Roger Holden from True Precision Robotics. I'm the director of a small business running for 3 years, and we've developed this new aerospace lightweight end effector.
So for someone who doesn't know what an aerospace lightweight end effector is, please, could you explain what problem this solves?
Generally in aerospace, small parts are made by hand. There's an aging demographic, and it's very difficult to justify return on investment for automation because it's very low rate. We've developed this for affordable automation to solve that problem.
So there wasn't this product on the market yet. You've got big aerospace companies making big parts that require big drilling rigs and really heavy stuff. Now, because they're big parts, they're commercially viable, but there's nothing in the range of smaller parts for slightly cheaper automation systems.
Absolutely. This is doing low rate, small aerospace assemblies, but small in aerospace is still large.
Yeah, exactly.
Many meters long.
There's still a lot of customers, still a lot of parts to make.
Yeah.
Brilliant. So how does this solve that problem? What's different about this to the big drilling rigs? Surely the big drilling rigs are big because they have to be big, not because they want to be big.
They are big. Well, one of the reasons they are big is they have to do everything on a single visit. We don't. We have a special robot guidance system which gives very high precision for the robot. The larger systems, they can't go to the same place twice, so they do everything in one visit, which is why they're so big.
Brilliant. So actually, these are more versatile than the bigger drilling rigs as well,
Yeah,
is that correct?
That's right.
Brilliant. And you've been developing this for the past 3 years. At what stage, is it ready for market yet?
It's ready for the next phase of development. We're targeting 2025 for full production, and we're looking for the next 2 years to get into pre-production trials with end customers.
So you're almost there. You're doing some cutting trials next month, is that correct?
That's right.
Hopefully we're going to be there.
Yes.
Watch this space. We might be able to get to your cutting trials, hopefully, but you're going to be almost ready in the next couple of years. So people need to watch this space. If they're making small parts by hand and they're losing skills to retirement or losing skills to redundancy or what, this might be the product for them.
And also, this is all programmed offline on CAD. So it's a great career for younger people coming into the market who want to program in an office on a computer.
Sounds like an exciting space. Thank you, Roger, very much.
Thank you.
Roger, director from True Precision Robotics. Thank you very much.
Thank you.